the simplest circuit. The simplest circuit you can make uses a battery and an LED. An LED has a long leg and a short leg. The long leg is the positive leg. So when inserting the battery, make sure that the positive side is on to the long leg. So again, we're placing the long leg on the positive side. This is a special sort of LED. This is a bicolour or non-polar LED, so it'll work either direction. You can check the colours on all of your LEDs with this. This is a red-blue flashing LED. It will only work if you put the plus side to the long leg, so the plus side on the LED to the plus side on the battery. This is a colour change LED. This will only work one direction. You can play by putting more than one LED onto a battery. Here we have a yellow candle flicker, a red and blue flashing, a red part of a bicolour, and a colour change. The red's brighter than the blue is because we're getting to the limit of how many LEDs we can put on one battery.